enthusiasts, how you doing? So we're finally there. It's taken a little over a month to go from 700 to 850, but we're at 850 subscribers. In fact, we are just over 850. We're sitting on 856 at the moment. So thank you everyone who's hit the subscribe button, really appreciate it. I've really enjoyed the journey so far. It's been fantastic. I've met some really fantastic friends and it's been a giggle along the way. I love some of the comments some of you guys leave, especially about the stuff I wear in the workshop, from my Jesus creepers and socks and my pyjamas, steel toe cap slippers. Yeah, it's all been a giggle, really appreciate it. And I'd like to think I've got a bit better in front of the camera. I'm enjoying doing the video editing and that sort of thing now. So anyway, less of me waffling on, we'll get straight into the draw. This is about as live as it can be, so I'm not brave enough yet to do a live broadcast, or in fact I'm too worried about it going wrong, but and the quality's a bit naff when you go live. So this is pre-recorded. I think it's about 7:30 on Saturday evening. It will take me about 45 minutes to upload this, get it edited, so you'll probably see it about 8:30. So it's about as live as it can be. I've got the GoPro Hero 6 on the main camera and I've got the Faux Pro there just in case it all goes wrong. So as you can see, we're at 856 subscribers. What we've done is put every subscriber that's left a comment on the 850 video into a little program on the computer. There were 28 people that left comments, or 28 individuals that left comments, so good luck everyone. I think that's about it. Do I need to mention anything else? The prize maybe. So the prize is a bespoke paper cut. It can be cut to whatever you want. So if you send me an image, it's something my wife does in her crafting. They look really cool. It can be a car, it can be a pet, it can be your wife, partner, husband, girlfriend, whatever. Just whatever you like. If you can't think of anything, maybe we'll do something for you. It takes hours and hours to do, so I might actually time lapse your picture being done. But yeah, that's the prize. And keep an eye out as well, because I think what I'll do, so the idea was a prize at 850. I think the next giveaway I'm going to do is going to be 998. Funny that, 850, 998. Can you guess the next one? 1275. So next one will be at 998. Don't know what I'll do. I maybe try and do some mini parts maybe. But without further ado, let's get on with it. So don't worry if you can't see your name there. There's just too many to fit in. It will start spinning in a moment. Some great names there already. Sean C, Dave Jaguar 66, Niels Anderson, Steve Truin. All you guys have left comments. Really appreciate it. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Oh. Steve Truin, can you believe that? Whoa! Well, that's quite amazing. Well done, Steve. Steve doesn't live that far away from me actually, so well done, Steve. I promise it's not a fix. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate your support. Thanks for joining me on this little journey, and long may it continue. Have a great evening and a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.